In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add emojis to your emails in Outlook, whether you're using a Windows or a Mac computer. Adding emojis to your emails is a fantastic way to inject some personality and emotion into your communication. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening Outlook and composing a new email. This is your blank canvas where you'll be bringing in those expressive emojis. Once you have your email draft open, consider where in your message you'd like to place an emoji. Emojis can convey a lot in a small space, so think about the context of your message and where a small icon might best complement your words. This could be after a greeting, highlighting a key point, or simply adding a friendly touch at the end of your email. For those of you using Windows, the process is straightforward. Here's what you need to do next. Make sure your cursor is blinking where you want the emoji to appear. Then press the Windows key together with the period key. This keyboard shortcut will open up the emoji panel right there in your email draft. It's a quick and easy way to have access to a whole range of emojis. Once the panel pops up, you can take a moment to scroll through the options. Whether you're looking for a classic smiley face, a thumbs up, or perhaps something a bit more niche, you'll likely find something that fits perfectly. After selecting the emoji you want, just click on it and it will magically appear in your email at the cursor's location. There you go, with just a few clicks, you've added a splash of character to your message. Now, if you're using a Mac, the steps are slightly different but just as simple. Similarly, position your cursor where you'd like the emoji to appear. Then you'll want to press the Control, Command, and Space keys all at once. This combination is the magic trick for Mac users to bring up the emoji picker. Once it opens, the picker gives you a vast array of emojis to browse through. Feel free to explore, as the available options can be quite entertaining. When you find the perfect emoji, all you need to do is click on it. Like on Windows, the emoji will pop right into your email where your cursor is placed. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've mastered a quick way to add a touch of fun and expression to your emails in Outlook, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Remember, a well-placed emoji can make your emails friendlier and more engaging. Happy emailing, and as always, feel free to explore and express yourself. Thanks for watching.